think some of the biggest challenges I've had, I've learnt the biggest lessons from, and I've been able to take forward with me. When things are smooth sailing, you can feel quite comfortable and things are great, but when you're really challenged, that forces you to learn, to accept what's happening in your life, but to grow from it and be better. And so always see everything as an opportunity to either learn from it or enjoy the moment. In a team environment, I've come to learn that everybody thinks, feels and acts differently based on their individual experiences. When I first started out playing footy, sometimes it's hard. You tend to think that people think the way that you do about particular situations, and developing an understanding that not everyone thinks the way that you do, and being able to communicate to them in a way that's meaningful to them, that they understand, that works you towards your common goal.